2 years ago, I had no idea where to start with programming. I didn't know what to study, what to skip, or how long it would take. So, in this video, I'm gonna share the exact roadmap I followed step by step. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nathan Nordino. In the last video, I talked about how starting to code can be easier than you think, using simple things you might already have at home. So get comfortable and let's get started. Step 1: HTML. In simple words, this is where you learn how a web page is built. You start understanding how content is organized and what is really behind a website. Step 2: CSS. This is when things start to look like a real website. You learn how to control colors, spacing, and layouts to make the pages look clean and readable. Step 3: JavaScript. This is where you start to really feel like you're programming. You add logic and make your pages interactive instead of just static. And this is where people start to feel uncomfortable, thinking that JavaScript is difficult and coding is not for them. But believe me, just keep going, learn one thing at a time, don't rush, and trust the process. Step 4: React. React will help you organizing your code better and building more complex interfaces. It changes a little bit the way you think about building websites. Step 5: Projects. Believe me, this is where most of the learning happens. You make mistakes, fix them, and finally understand what you're studying. Step 6: Git and deployment. This is how you learn to manage your code and put all your work online. Your projects will stop being just exercises and will start feel like real world work. A friendly reminder: this roadmap won't guarantee you'll get a job, but it will give you the skills you need to get ready to one in the future. So don't rush it, enjoy the journey, stay consistent, and learn from every step. Like and subscribe. Until the next video.